welcome back to my dad's YouTube channel. We're in children's hospital and we have bought slime for me. And the slime is quite green. When you put it in the light, it's neon green. So let's watch it. That's my dad. The slime texture. Look at this. It's my slime. It looks like poop to the camera. Okay, let's watch this slime. Okay, how will we play it? Okay, I know. Let's make a bubble. Wait. Okay, let's make a bubble. Let's make a bubble. Ooh, look at that texture. Ooh. Ah, it covers. Look at this. You want to eat it? Let's see how long can I pull it. Oh, that is so much. Look at this. Isn't it so cool? Wow! Look how long for it. Oh no, we dead. Whoa! Wow! Look at that. Look at this dude. It is this long. I can't believe it, but let's add it. Slime. It's a little poop. See that? Where's the crack? There's supposed to be a crack, but look, we got a container for it. Let's put it back in, and we're gonna make a flower. Just fit in there. Yep. This turned out impossible. Just fit in there. Fit. Ooh, that's so satisfying. Just look at this. Actually, this is my first slime that I've ever got. Oh. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Satisfying. Isn't that? Okay. I got the cap, so let's take a cap. Sorry. Got the cap. Has a little face on it. And then close. And then we mix. And look. It's not moving either. In the camera, it's dark green. But it's not even actually dark green.
Yeah, let's meet next time.
Now, in the next part, we're gonna open this and see flower. Bye!